In this video, you'll learn how to insert a SIM card into your Pixel 5a and double check your mobile settings. By following these instructions, you will ensure your device is ready for network connectivity. Begin by turning off your Pixel 5a. Locate the SIM tray, which is situated on the side of the device. Take the SIM ejector tool, which usually comes with the phone, and gently insert it into the small hole next to the SIM tray. Apply a little pressure until the tray pops out. This action will allow you to access the SIM card slots. Once the SIM tray is open, place your SIM card inside the tray, ensuring that the gold contacts are facing down and aligned properly. It is important to check the orientation of the SIM card, as incorrect placement may cause connectivity issues. After positioning the SIM card correctly, gently slide the tray back into the phone until it clicks into place. This completes the physical installation of the SIM card. Next, power on your Pixel 5 by pressing and holding the power button until the Google logo appears. Allow a moment for the device to boot up and detect the mobile network. Once the home screen is visible, look at the top of the screen for signal bars. If the signal bars indicate a connection, your SIM card has been installed correctly. If no signal appears, you may need to turn off the device and double check that the SIM card is seated properly in the tray. Now, it's time to verify your mobile settings. Begin by locating and tapping on the Settings app, which usually appears as a gear icon on your home screen or app drawer. In the Settings menu, find and select Network and Internet. From there, tap on Mobile Network. This section allows you to check whether mobile data is enabled and if the correct carrier is selected. If necessary, you can also review the access point name or APN settings, which may need to be adjusted based on your mobile carrier. After making any changes, it is advisable to restart your device to ensure that the new settings take effect. This step will help to confirm that your mobile settings are correct and that your Pixel 5a is fully configured for network functionality. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.